Greetings viewers and subscribers, welcome back to Edivision TV. I'm your host Eddie Gona, and this is a channel where we look at sports differently. Now, we all know that Coach Al Grimson went on a UK talent search looking for players. There are a lot of players out there, a lot, but I'm just going to give you the best 11 that I can think of. I'm going to try and put together a UK 11. I want you guys to look at this team. Tell me if this team is good enough. This is the best of what we have potentially to bring in. And this 11 consists of players that have not played for the senior national team. So we have one player that have played at the youth level for Jamaica, but not at the senior level. So let's get into the 11. In goal, Connor Boyce Clark. At right back, the Everton man, Mason Holgate. At right centre back, Levi Caldwell. Had a great season at Brighton on loan from Chelsea. Young developing centre back with a lot of potential. His centre back partner doing a lot at Newcastle, now into the Champions League with Newcastle, playing at left back, but he's originally a centre back, Dan Burn. Playing left back for the Bees, Brentford, in the EPL, Rico Henry. In the middle of the park, the man from Stoke City, Lewis Baker, now 28, but still potentially could help the Reggae Boyz. On the right hand side, we all know this name, we're all waiting to see him hold up that Adidas kit, Demarai Gray. In centre midfield, another Newcastle player, Jacob Murphy. Also can play in centre midfield based on this squad, Reece Nelson from Arsenal. He declared recently that he's Jamaican, so why not play for Jamaica? Reece Nelson. Dwight McNeil, Everton, winger. Great season. He's also a good one to look at. Another Everton player, up top, Ellis Sims. He's having a breakthrough season this year, getting some playing time with DCL being out and Mape not really prefer that number 9. So he got his chance this season. Ellis Sims scored at Chelsea. Good looking baller. So there you have it. Some UK players in which we can look at in the future. I know we could make a million squads. There are a lot of players I left out of this squad. Let me know who you think should definitely be in this first 11 for us to pick from. I went for a little bit of experience in this team. I know there are a lot of youth players out there in England that can represent Jamaica, but I went with experience. We need experience at this time. Good, talented and experienced players. So again, this is my 11. Let me know what you think about this team. Drop your comments in the comment section below. Could there be anybody else that I left out that should definitely be knocking on that team door? Drop your comments in the comment section. This is Eddie Gona. Thanks for watching, and always remember, like, share and subscribe.
Hi, I'm Reggae Girl Marlo Sweatman. You're watching Edivision TV. Like, share, and subscribe.